Hi, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will take you on a journey to discover the most stunning and elegant mother of the bride dresses for that special wedding day. Whether you are a mother of looking for the perfect outfit or a bride helping your mom find the ideal dresses, we have got you covered. Join us as we explore the latest fashion trends and expert advice to help you find the perfect mother of the bride dresses that suit your style and make you feel like a queen on your daughter's special day. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fashion inspiration and wedding tips. Stay tuned for more fashion and wedding related content and feel free to leave your question and comment below. We would love to hear from you. Remember, fashion is all about expressing yourself and feeling confident in your own skin. So whether you are looking for a casual everyday look or dressing up for a special occasion on this with pride, if you enjoy this video and want to see more fashion content for all body types, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Let's spread body positivity and self together. So girls, I am here to celebrate all things curvy and fabulous in this world of plus size fashion. In this quick 4-minute video, I will be share some of my favorite fashion finds providing that styles no size. Whether you are a curvy queen or just someone looking for some fashion inspiration, you are in the right place. So girls, we are celebrate the beauty of diversity and believe that fashion should be inclusive for everyone. Our channel is dedicated to provide you with the wealth of valuable content from dresses haul and styling guides to body positivity discussion and beauty tips tailored specially to the plus size community. Join us on this exciting journey as we explore the world of plus size fashion together. Expect to find we will bring you the latest and greatest in the plus size dresses, showcasing a variety of styles, colors and trends to help you find the perfect outfit for any occasion. So girls, learn how to accentuate your curves, mix and match different pieces and build a wardrobe that make you feel fabulous every day. We are here to remind you that you are beautiful just the way you are. Let's embrace love and confidence on outfit at a time. Get insider information on where to find the best plus size dresses, budget friendly options and must have accessories to complete your look. We value your opinion and ideas. Feel free to leave comment, ask your question and join a supportive community of like-minded individuals who share your passion for plus size fashion. So if you are ready to embark on a journey of self-expression, love and style, bye bye. We will see you in next video.